Hello guys, and welcome to the new video tutorial on SEO. We have been talking about mobile friendly, and in this video we're going to continue talking about that. As you know, Google formerly was working on the user experience according to the default way, which was only desktop way of showing it. And actually there was almost no attention in order to analyze and give the rank and rate to your website according to the mobile version of the website. But the speed of the web page was the one which was being counted for the SEO of your website. The content would be analyzed just in terms of desktop way of showing your website. In the year 2018, after introducing mobile first indexing, Google would analyze and study the SEO of your website according to the content in terms of mobile and the platforms like tablet as well. In other words, the algorithm mobile first indexing is going to give the rate and rank to the website of yours according to the content which is shown on the platforms of mobiles, and it doesn't have anything to do with the desktop version. It doesn't mean that the ones who are using their desktop computer or laptop computer are not going to be counted. No, they have their importance as well. And nowadays, even more than 44% of people are using desktop. So they have their importance. But according to this algorithm, the mobile and the platforms of cell phone and tablets are going to be the important parts of it. Here we are going to show you one example of a website that has both desktop and mobile display. As you see, the contents are the same and both of them. It means that when the algorithm of mobile first indexing is going to work on this website, for sure there wouldn't be any problem for the SEO of this website, because you have a clear way of showing the content on the version of mobile phones as well. And this way of clear showing and displays is because of the responsive factor which is obeyed in the version of mobile as well. But let's see the other one. We have an example of not identical content in this website. We have the same URL, but the desktop shows something that is not shown in the mobile version. And if you see, there is that red box. We have a description on the desktop version which is not to all in the mobile version. You cannot see that description here. So in case mobile first indexing is going to be activated for this website, there would be a problem for the rank and rate of this website, because as you see, the content, some part of content has been deleted from the mobile version. And remember that it is not a matter of concern that this algorithm of mobile first indexing has been announced, because Google is trying to find the ways in order to show the ways to find the better websites, to rank them, to index them, the ones which deserve. Which means that Google, by introducing this algorithm, is not going to have a significant change in the rate of and rank of the websites, but to have a sudden decrease in the position. But gradually this process is being done, so the websites can be aware of this change and they can update the versions. They can make their websites mobile friendly in order to retain their own rank and rate of the websites. But something that you must be worried about is not to have a responsive page and a bad mobile friendly version. And in case you're looking for knowing about the items which are important in this algorithm and which points you need to obey and which points you have to pay attention to in order to have a good observing on the mobile version as well, is the webmaster.googleblog.com, which is the original Google blog for this, and for the webmasters who want to get acquainted to the techniques and the strategies to retain their rank of the website. We are going to mention some of them right now here. And the first one is that the codes and the structure of desktop and mobile versions should be the same. So you need to be sure that the mobile version is going to show the same content that has been shown on desktop version, and there is no change in the content. The context, the image, the video, and anything on the desktop version should be accessible on the mobile version as well. And the second point is that in the both versions you must get the same schema markup. There should exist actually this schema markup. So in case if you've got a different URL for your mobile version, this schema markup should be shown, and it should be clear and obvious. The other note that you must be aware of is the meta tags of the title, description, etc. You have to have the same meta tags of the title, description, etc. on both versions. It shouldn't be like the example that you're seeing in the background, that one actually desktop version is showing the description while the mobile version doesn't show that. So you have to be sure about it as well. This problem sometimes occur when you are using different URL for the mobile version, and the ways in order to control this is to use canonical and alternate to remove this kind of problems and avoid having such troubles. But in case you've got the same content, image, videos, and all the items on both desktop and mobile versions, you do not need to worry, and you shouldn't get concerned about the decrease of rank and rate of your website. The only thing you need to pay attention to is those structure that I told you about. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck.